The Ohmium solution's comprehensive. Power in, water in, and purified, compressed, dry hydrogen coming out. It's all about making the project as cost-effective as possible from a CapEx and OpEx point of view. We wouldn't want our customers to have to bring in extra modules to deal with kinds of power or water, and same thing for drying and compressing. So the Ohmium solution will take city water, it'll take salt water if you needed to, it'll take AC power from the grid even if it's noisy, it'll take DC power if you needed to. The hydrogen's going to come out dried, it's going to come out compressed to the pressure you need, and of course it's going to come out with the purity you need. By the way, if you need to send that heat, the small amount that we do generate, off to a given like a district heating use, it's all set to do that. So this is a comprehensive solution. It's all about keeping your costs low, both in terms of CapEx and OpEx.